What's up, everyone? I wanted to make this video for a few days, but I want to make a video about mortgage rates. So I think last week you might have seen, if you're looking for a house or whatever, or if you're looking to refinance, you might have seen that they cut 25 basis points last week. So it's 50 basis points total in the last 2 months. So it's not a huge difference, but I just wanted to, explain something that I had a mortgage loan at 325 at 380. So it's $380,000 owed on it. 3.25 is the interest rate. That payment is so only taxes are escrowed, insurance is not. That mortgage rate that monthly payment is $2,400 a month. And then I have another one that also had another house that also had a $380,000 loan, but at a 7% interest rate. And that one, even though on this property, the 7% interest rate property, the taxes are half. So instead of $4,800, they're $2,400. They're half, and it's still $600 higher. So if the taxes were equivalent, it would be about $800 higher. So the difference between on just $380,000 mortgage, which in some parts of the country is a lot, but if you're in a major metropolitan area, it's a pretty low mortgage. If you're in Boston, New York City, Washington D.C., Miami, LA, San Fran, Seattle, any of those bigger cities, it's a very low mortgage. So on $380,000, the difference between a 7% interest rate and a 3.25% interest rate is about $700 to $800 a month. So it's not, it's not like a year. It's a major difference. So even the fact that they're like, you could probably get them in the low sixes now, maybe even high fives if you do an adjustable rate. So it's a big difference. I know people have been having a hard time buying a home, and the interest rates are really one of the main reasons why, because it's also going to be harder for builders to build with a 7% interest rate. They typically have to borrow money, and then they have to sell it. So then and they have to make a profit. So now they have higher carrying